A simple mobile reporting kit based on old equipment that I'm going to take to Brighton SEO. And of course, I have to test it. What better way to test it than to go through the whole process of unpacking, setting up, doing a video, uploading it via a Chromebook to, I don't know, YouTube Shorts. Let's see where this goes. Basically, I'm sick of the old GoPro, sports camera type workflows. But I want to fall back to a decent mic, cables, a decent camera, 4K, 30, Lumix G7, and keep it simple. I do have a second mic. I have second mic external recording capability, but I'm not using my phone. The only reason I'm using my phone right now is to preview what's happening and to start and stop the recording. Let me just show you what I've got in my kit. It's super simple, actually. There is the remote audio recording device. It does have decent mics in it, but they pick up everything. They pick up absolutely everything. However, this mic will plug into it, and it's a decent mic. It comes off the Rode Video Maker kit. It's about 90 euros, I believe. I broke one previously during COVID, and that tells you how old it is. And I bought another one for about 90, but that will go in there, and that will go anywhere to do some recording. I can also clip the mic to that and do this as well, and that's pretty much it. How do I show you the other stuff I've got here? Wait, that's it. That is the camera I'm using. You can see the stand there. It's a GoPro mini folding stand, actually with a standard GoPro mount on it, but I put the 1/4-inch adapter on there, and that's pretty much it. Behind there is the Chromebook that I'll be using to edit it. And apart from that, old SD card is fast enough. USB adapter with HDMI, micro SD and SD card reader, spare battery with USB charging module, and for the ultimate emergency, a smartphone holder and 1/4-inch tripod. Couple of SD cards, keeping it super simple. Let's see how this goes. Thanks for watching.